Hello mga boss! By the way, this is Mommy Det of Together We Ride Motovlog. As a camper and a content creator, napaka-importante sa atin na magkaroon ng reliable power source. Kaya, ipinakikilala ko sa inyo ang isa sa pinaka-perfect na companion namin sa pagka-camping, ang EcoFlow River 3 UPS. Na-unbox na pala namin ito mga boss. And what's inside the box? Of course, itong EcoFlow River 3 UPS, 2 cable charger, 1 car charging cable, and of course, the user manual na madalas hindi naman talaga natin binabasa. We also have here a portable EcoFlow solar panel and a solar charging cable. Sa kagaya naming nagmumoto camping, para sa amin, perfect siya. Dahil isa itong portable power station na pwede mong dalhin kahit saan. Mapa-indoor or outdoor activities. And dito namin charge ang lahat ng gadgets namin and equipments na ginagamit like drone, cellphones, cameras, and camping lights. And napakagaan lang po nito. Umaabot lang sa 3.5 kilograms. And napaka-safe gamitin and fast charging. So ngayon, ipapakita ko naman kung paano i-operate ang ating EcoFlow River 3 UPS. So press lang natin itong nasa gitna. And as you can see, very straightforward and user-friendly. Dito sa indicator sa bandang gitna, makikita kung ilang percent pa ang ating power station. Dito naman banda naka-display kung ilang oras pa siyang pwedeng gamitin. And here, makikita meron itong input and output. At malalaman natin kung ilang watts ang lumalabas at pumapasok sa kanya. Para naman sa output, meron siyang dalawang USB-A ito na kayang mag-supply ng 12 volts each. And meron sa gitna na Type-C na kayang mag-supply up to 100 watts. And merong AC output dito. Kailangan lang natin itong i-on para gumana. And this can supply up to 300 to 600 watts. Pero need yung i-turn on ang X-Boost for the heating appliances. Sa kabilang side naman is the DC output. Here. At sa ilalim nito ay merong 4 rubber feet for additional protection para hindi madaling dumulas. And on both sides naman merong dalawang ventilation. Dito po ang in and out ng hangin para hindi siya madaling mag-init. Mga boss, there are 3 options for charging. So first is through AC charging or main charger. Second is by using a car charger via 12 volts car socket. And third is through solar panel. The charging time will depend on the sunlight and panel wattage. And nasa ideal orientation ng solar panel. Especially na ang gamit po namin na solar panel is only 45 watts. Worth it ba na magkaroon ng power station? Of course! Since portable ito, so pwede mo siyang dalhin kahit saan. At sa katulad ko na nag-work from home, just in case magkaroon ng sudden power outage or mawala ng internet connection while I am doing something important, may time pa ako to save my work since this also serves as a UPS. I would also like to emphasize na yung ginamit nila sa power station na ito is GaN technology or gallium nitride. Kaya, this is more effective and more efficient. At ang battery na ginamit dito is lithium iron phosphate. Ang kagandahan sa mga lithium iron phosphate na battery is matagal yung life cycle na umaabot ng 3,000 cycles, which is equivalent to 10 years of usage before its capacity drops up to 80%. Moreover, this power station is also waterproof, fireproof, and also shockproof. Isa pa sa mga additional feature nito is you can connect it or control it using your phone because connected siya sa application na pwede nyong gamitin kahit wala kayo sa bahay. Napaka-useful talaga nitong EcoFlow River 3 UPS. Napakaliit pero napaka-powerful. At sa mga interested mag-purchase, available po pala ito sa Maarte Campers. Okay, that's all mga boss, and thank you for watching.